harness the revolutionary potential of AI, and achieve massive financial success. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to make money in dropshipping using dropship.io.
1. Choose a niche. Decide on a niche that you are passionate about and that has high demand. Dropship.io's niche selection feature can help you find a profitable niche with low competition. 2. Create an e-commerce store. Create an e-commerce store using a platform like Shopify or WooCommerce. Customize your store to make it visually appealing and user-friendly. 3. Sign up for Dropship.io. Sign up for Dropship.io and connect it to your e-commerce store. This will allow you to search for profitable products and automate your dropshipping process. 4. Find profitable products. Use Dropship.io to find profitable products that are in high demand and have low competition. This will increase the likelihood of making a profit when you sell these products through your e-commerce store. 5. Optimize your pricing strategy. Use Dropship.io's pricing intelligence feature to optimize your pricing strategy. This will help you increase your profit margins and stay competitive in the market. 6. Fulfill orders efficiently. Dropship.io connects you with reliable suppliers who can fulfill your orders efficiently. This will save you time and money on inventory management and shipping. 7. Sell on multiple channels. With Dropship.io, you can sell your products on multiple e-commerce platforms. This will help you reach a wider audience and increase your sales. 8. Promote your store. Use social media, email marketing, and other promotional channels to promote your e-commerce store and drive traffic to your site. By following these steps and using the powerful features of Dropship.io, you can make money in dropshipping and achieve success in the world of e-commerce. Get it now and start your e-com business today, link in the description.